Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to export your data from Apple Passwords. So let's get started, and to do that you want to open your settings, and now let's scroll to find apps, and here you want to find your Safari, which is your default browser. Now let's scroll until you hit export button. Here you have it. Let's confirm everything, and here you can see export browsing data, and you want to uncheck everything except your passwords. So please check passwords, and let's press save to downloads button. Now enter your passcode, and as you can see it says export is successful. So let's tap done, and you can find this file if you go to your files application. If you open your downloads, let me quickly locate this file. So here you have it. This is a zip file, so you want to unzip it, and here you have your file with all your passwords. Obviously I will not open that, but you will see a list of all your passwords, which is really easy to manage. For example, if you want to write down all your passwords and check if any of the passwords needs to be changed, for example, if you didn't do that for a while. And what else? If you want to additionally export your passwords, you can simply share this file by long pressing it. Let's tap share, and here you have your exporting, your sharing options. So you can do that using your AirDrop, messages, mail, notes, but if you want, you can simply tap copy button and then paste it in whatever application that is convenient for you. So that's how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.